What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna teach you how to do a pull-up for wide lats. So first, you probably wanna know why to do a pull-up. So in my opinion, it's the best beginner exercise for your back and your whole upper body, all right? That's for many reasons. First of all, you hit your whole back when you're doing it, all right? As well as learning how to contract your lats, the muscle right here on your side, all right? It's very good at teaching you how to activate it, which a lot of people are not good at, okay? It is also an extremely good exercise for your biceps, all right? There's a lot of bicep activation in the pull-up. It's also an extremely progressible exercise. So the progression can look something like this, all right? First time you can get one pull-up, okay? First day you go into the gym, so you do a couple sets of one pull-up. You do one pull-up, you wait 3, 5, 10 minutes even. You do another pull-up. You do 3, 4 sets, okay? You're done with pull-ups for the day. You come into the gym the next day, a couple days later, all right? Now you can do 2 pull-ups, maybe just for 1 set, okay? You do 1 set of 2, and then you do a couple singles after, all right? Then you come in a couple days later, now you can do 3. Maybe just 1 set of 3, and then you can only get 2 after. So you do 3, then you wait a couple minutes, do 2, maybe 2 again, 1, you're done. 3 weeks, a month in, now you can do a set of 5. You can do 5 pull-ups. You went from doing 1 pull-up to 5. Look at the progress. So again, for beginners especially, but really anybody, it is one of the best upper body exercises, period, specifically for your back, all right? For reasons I laid out again, hits your whole back, teaches you how to contract your lats, which is, again, very hard for a lot of people. Most people, like non-trained people, people that haven't trained before, don't know how to do that, okay? And this teaches you how. And again, you get a lot of bicep activation. All right, so now that you know why to do a pull-up, okay, which may be very clear to some of you, to get these live freaking lats, okay? Let me show you how to. First thing you need is a pull-up bar. And we have a pull-up bar right here. It's amazing. So step to the bar, okay, right under it, all right? And grip width, okay? Grip width is gonna be a little bit different depending on a million things. I mean, just your anthropometry, how long your arms are, how wide your shoulders are, a million different things, but it should be between 1.25 and 1.75, your shoulder width, okay? Best way to figure it out is just to step under the bar, put your hands up and jump, and where they land is where you're gonna be. If you're not gonna jump up onto the bar and you're going to, I don't know, climb up like this, okay, just pick a grip again, somewhere outside of your shoulder width. It can be just a little bit outside, like here, that's kind of close for me, or it could be really wide, like here. This isn't quite as comfortable for me. It's not where you could do a variation like that, but your normal width should be somewhere about 1.5, which would be about right there for me. So you're down here, you're hanging, okay? First thing you want to do is retract your scapula, which looks like this. You're not pulling all the way up, you're just retracting your scapula, okay? It's the first motion. You're just pulling down your shoulders, okay? So that's step 1, retract, okay? Then the next step, let's bring it all together. So we're hanging, scapular retraction, pull. Again, retraction, contract, retraction, contract. Another key element, okay, is going a full range of motion, okay? Which means I don't want to see this. I don't want to see you doing this, grinding out, just pull in like that. That's not an actual rep. Don't do that. Every rep should look like this. Retraction, pull up, all the way down, retraction, pull, and you just keep doing it. When I was younger, I used to do that. I used to do half reps, come halfway down, just crank them out like that. You don't want to do that. All right, so another thing I do not want to see is kipping, okay? If you don't know what that is, I'm gonna show you what that is right now, all right? Get to the bar just like you're about to do a regular pull-up, jump up, and this is what kipping looks like, okay? Don't do this. You're just swinging around. I'm out of breath after that. You're just swinging around. You're not actually getting any work done, okay? This isn't CrossFit, all right? We're actually trying to build some muscle, okay? No kipping, all right? Your feet and your whole body should be rigid, just hanging there, all right? You're hanging from your arms and you're only using your back muscles to pull you and, well, your arms, but you shouldn't really be trying to use your arms. It's just gonna kind of happen. So every rep should start from a complete stop, go all the way up, come all the way down, hang there even for a second, you can do that, then come back up. Every rep should look exactly the same, full range of motion, all right? That's gonna give you the best actual muscle gains, the best strength gains, and it's going to prevent the best against getting things like muscle imbalances, all right? Where one lat or one arm is super big and the other one's smaller. You don't want that, okay? You want a nice aesthetic and symmetrical physique, okay? So I hope this helped you, and let's make some progress.